Okie dokie. So let's create a little presentation using Apache training. As you can see, the directory is currently empty. Um, and now, if we want to create a new presentation, you just need to run this archetype command that uses a Maven plugin to sort of like prepare a new project based on a template that we provide. This is also currently, till we finally released 1.3.0, you need to locally build the entire project using Maven, a Maven install. So the snapshot version is available because otherwise Maven doesn't know where to find it. So right now you need to check out Apache training, build it once, install it locally, and then this command should work. So now it's going to ask you a few questions. So my pool group ID, my pool presentation, a version. It's going to ask you for a package name. This is because we're also generating one Java class, I think, in the template to demonstrate how to reference code examples. So this is just hit enter. It's going to ask you again. So just if everything's okay, just hit enter Y or just hit enter, and it now generated your new presentation. This presentation does a demo of all sorts of diagram types that are supported by Apache training. And these diagram types sometimes require quite a bit of challenging setup. For this, we created the Docker file, the Docker Compose in here. This should reduce sort of like, or make things a lot easier. So let me give you an example. So this now just starts a Docker container with where it installs all the tools that we need to generate the presentation. Now we just wait for this to finish. Okay, and we're done. Um, and now you'll see there's a target directory in here, and it's got a my cool presentation 1.0 snapshot in here. And this is where your presentation is, especially this index HTML. I'm just going to open this in my browser and switch over. Let me give this a little try. So, okay, so here we've got our little presentation. Feel free to step through it. It's trying to sort of like demonstrate all of the cool features Apache training has. But the interesting thing, or the most interesting thing I really like, is back here, where we have loads of little diagrams that are automatically generated from text input. And they can really be used to sort of like demonstrate a lot of things a lot easier. Yeah, yeah. So happy presenting.